Hey guys, today I'm going to show how to install this 20 amp single pole breaker that I ran for a dedicated home run to my home audio for my receiver and my power supplies and maybe an amp and later in the future. So I'm going to show how to install this into my panel box. For this installation we're not going to need too much. A razor knife, a pair of electrical pliers, a screwdriver, a screw gun to take the cover off, and the proper breaker, which is just a home line square D 20 amp single pole. Okay, I got the cover off. It's just 6 number 2 square drive bolts. Take off, pull the cover off. Here's my wire going in. I'll probably run it down through in one of these grommets right here, electrical connectors, into the box, and then we'll show from there. So just give me a second, we'll run that and go from there. Okay, I got the wire through the electrical connector. I put a couple more wire staples in, tightened up this bolt. Next thing is I'm going to strip the cover off this wire. So just take your knife, score right down it. Try not to cut your hand off. And just cut it off as close as you can there. It's got a little cover off the ground, cut that off. Alright, so inside we have our black wire, we have a white wire and a ground wire. So in this panel I like to keep all my neutral wires, the white wires, on one side, and the ground wires are all on the other side. And then your black wire will mount into your breaker. I'd like to get this over into the other side here if I have enough room, but so what I'll do is I'll mount the white wire up in top here, this ground wire. I'll bring down the bottom and across into the ground bar, and then I'll put the black wire onto the breaker. So I'll do the white wire and the ground wire first. Okay, so I got my neutral wire tied in right up here. The ground wire I ran down and around, and I put it into the ground bar right here. And I hooked the black wire onto the breaker. So these have like a little catch on the back side, and then that part here slides onto the bar. So you gotta put the back part in first, and then just push the breaker on. And try and make that wire a little neater. It's the length of the wire I had, so I wanted to put it on this side. It's the 50-foot run. It's not going to be that neat. But that's basically it. So I guess I'll give you a little closer look here. So yeah, wire came in here, went up into the neutral bar. Ground wire went down and around into the ground bar. Black wire onto the breaker. And that's going to be a 20 amp dedicated to my amplifier and AVR for my sound room. Good? Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks a lot, guys.